flashes.
I know.
Party's going
I'm like, I think
strong.
you're over your
They
fat.
start louder, sing our favorite songs.
Okay.
Every
we
note
burned
is
some stuff off with the
buzzing,
mics.
echoes through the night. Together we're electric, everything's alright. Bounce to the beat now. Feel the vibe so sweet, wow. Hands up in the air, yeah. Let the music take you there.
Today, I'm going to talk about where I'm currently at, where I live, and what's going on. So I currently live in Roseburg, Oregon, and we are dealing with flooding. Bro.
Look at the trees coming down that river.
Oh my gosh!
Look at it, like literally up to the fence over there.
Oh my gosh, our yard, y'all. Look at that. And it's snowing on top of that. So yeah, that's a day in my life currently. That was not a smooth table. I'm so full, I'm gonna die. Walking out, walk behind us, please. Thanks.
No.
Thank you. Oh,
When I told
that is level with our yard, bro. Usually it's like what?
way down there.
15 feet down?
When I told Dad to come out here and look, it wasn't even coming over that step yet. And now it's coming over.
I mean, you can still go get sandbags.
That is crazy.
How am I going to sandbag this thing? We can sandbag it. It's not going to do anything. We'll keep flat. It's not going to do it.
Dad wants our house to flood, doesn't he?
I think he does.
He wants us to lose our stuff.
Dude.
That is so, we're gonna be like swimming in a second. Had to pack some stuff out of the yard, get it up on the porch, because it's definitely gonna flood in our basement. It's in our yard. It has never been this high for like the 3.5 of the years we've lived here. Look at that. We have waves in our yard. We just stacked all of our store inventory up. Fun, right?
Yeah. Blast.
Fun, right?
Yeah. So like
Dude. I didn't know we had a lake in our yard.
beachfront property.
Beachfront property. That is insane, bro. It looks like it's gonna touch the bottom of the bridge. I wanted to give just a little update from yesterday on all the flooding, currently we are here. The water has receded, but last night the water came up and it reached our basement. You can see the line in our yard. That's how far it came up, which means that's our basement. So yeah, and we were working all last night. We went down to our basement because we have our resale shop here in Roseburg, and we keep all of our furniture inventory down there. So we had to run down there, lift everything up so we didn't like lose a whole lot of inventory. That was super fun. So yeah, just giving a little update on that. Crazy. I can tell how old you are by the fact if you know this game or not.
That cutscene was nostalgic.
I am headed to a coffee shop here in Roseburg. We're gonna get a matcha and do some editing. So today I'm going to take you along on one of my cleaning jobs, which is one of my main sources of income. So I'm going to show you all the details. He is an old man and we're going to the vet today. Sometimes he needs help. He's an old man, like I said. He needs help getting in the car. You got it? Go on. You need help? Okay, hold on. Come on, up here. Can you get up there? Just stand up. Oh, sorry. Here, get your leg. There you go. You got it. Oh, you got it. You got it. You're not falling. There you go. He's embarrassed because he fell. On our way to the vet. He doesn't know it. He's gonna hate me. Tucker. Maybe he does know because I said it. Now he looks mad. Hey, other doggies can live too. We're here.
butt scratches. Oh yeah. What are you doing? You're so cute.
All done at the bed. Everything looks good. You got it? Maybe? You got it. You got it. Come on. Oh, yeah. Good job. So we're going to wildlife safari today. Fido! Woo!
Gosh, wake him up. Hi, bear.
Oh my god! They're so cute.
So floppy. Fingernail like on his.
Oh yeah.
Caitlin's distracted by the camera.
I'm not nervous about it anymore.
Well, I just mean like if you put your
finger.
fingernail. All he's do is smile.
I know, he's
You'll
the
literally get
cutest kid I've ever seen. like, bro.